going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are cooking a ooey gooey delicious sausage and kale Reginette pasta that you cannot resist. The first thing we're going to do is grab our rotel. Yes, I said rotel. That's going in our blender along with a full tomato. I just wanted mine a little bit more on the tomatoey side. And also didn't have any tomato sauce, so I worked with what I had. And let me tell y'all, this came out so good. So I'm just going to blend that down to my tomato is well incorporated with the rotel. And that goes to the side. Here comes our orange bell pepper. We're just going to do half of that. We're going to slice that bad boy and dice that bad boy. Put it to the side. Here comes our kale. Make sure you wash it. I ripped mine off of the vine and diced that up along with half an onion. Then we have our Italian sausage that's going right into the pan. We are going to get that down to the bite-sized pieces that we like. In goes our onion. In goes our bell pepper. And we are going to cook that down until they're both on the translucent side. Can't forget our favorite ingredient, some minced garlic. Here comes our seasoning, some onion powder. We're just gonna cover the top of our food. Also some garlic powder. Some Italian herb mix, some Creole seasoning, and give that a good mix until it's all incorporated together. But we cannot forget the thyme. We gotta add the thyme in there. And if y'all haven't been adding thyme to your dish, please experiment with it. This herb is so tasty and packed with so much flavor. Here comes our vegetable broth. That's 1 cup of vegetable broth. And I'm using the, what's that one? Better Than Bouillon? Yeah, Better Than Bouillon, the paste. In goes a full water bottle of water, of course. Then just gonna mix that up. And now we're gonna add in our tomato sauce that we blended together. I would say we're gonna use about a half a cup. Just get that all mixed in. When I tell y'all the flavors is flavor and honey. So good. Here comes our pasta. I'm just trying to make sure it all fits so it can all cook down, because we of course need that juice to get that pasta to cook down. Once I get that stirred up pretty well, we're going to add in some heavy whipping cream. I would say maybe a 4th cup of heavy whipping cream. Get that all mixed in. Let it set for about, let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, in between checking it, you're going to make sure your pasta is cooked to your liking. Once it gets there, you're going to add that kale. The kale does not take very long to cook, but we're going to incorporate that into our pasta, get it all mixed in there. So beautiful and bright. Y'all, this pasta is so delicious. We're going to cover it up a little bit longer to let that kale cook down. And as you can see, it's just getting ooey and gooey and just getting all them flavors mixed in. Here's a little close-up of what we're working with. Just a beautiful and easy pasta dish. I literally just grabbed stuff that I had in my cabinet and just threw this together. And I'm so happy it worked. The family loved it. The kids loved it. It was a really tasty dish that came together. So here we are plating it, just putting it down. Cannot forget to add some Parmesan to the top, also some parsley to the top. And there we have it, y'all. Our ooey gooey so delicious sausage and kale Reginette pasta. Don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. Share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye.